Diana Chan is in the Everyday Gourmet kitchen and we're going to be cooking a gorgeous stir-fry using these interesting noodles. What are they?
So these are sweet potato noodles.
Yes.
So made from sweet potato starch.
Never had them before.
It's different to vermicelli.
Okay.
Which is made from rice, but these are sweet potato. So let's get started. I'll get you to chop up mince the garlic and then chop up all the vegetables. So we've got some mushrooms, some shiitake there, capsicum and spring onions. Fabulous. And then whilst you're doing that, I'm going to be making an omelette.
I keep thinking that this is a recipe I would love to do in the middle of the week. You get home from a busy day, you check what veggies you have in the fridge and you can make up this. And I guess these noodles, because they come dried, have them in the pantry ready to go.
Absolutely. So they come dry and then you just rehydrate them in water, so hot water, and then you just run it through some oil so that it doesn't stick together because it's got lots of starch in them.
Right.
Okay, so in goes my omelette. You just want to cook it on low and then we just want a really thin omelette, so with nothing in it, because we're going to slice it into ribbons.
Okay.
And you just want to use a spatula and then just kind of like release it from the sides. How are you going over there?
I'm doing lots of chopping for you, Di. We've got our spring onions and capsicum.
Perfect, thank you so much. All right, so Jazzy, the egg's ready. I'm just going to pop it out into the middle here.
Okay.
And then you're going to roll it for me and slice it into ribbons.
Okay.
Okay. And because I'm not lazy, but I'm smart, I'm going to use the same wok to cook everything else, okay? One wok wonder.
One wok wonder. I love that.
So in goes the shallots.
Yep.
I might get you to pass me the spring onions and the garlic that you sliced up earlier, please.
And when it comes to stir frying, there's an order, isn't there?
There is, absolutely. Packing order.
Yes.
So I'm going to add in the carrots first because you want to cook the vegetables that take longer to cook. Okay. Obviously, the first ones, right?
Yes.
So pop that in, and then we're just going to mix that through. Then once that's softened, we're going to go in with the capsicum, the mushrooms, the noodles, and then lastly, the spinach. All right, so now let's go in with I'll put all the capsicum in. And then once you're done with the shiitake, we can add that in too.
Okay, one last little one.
And the sauce really is quite simple. We've got sesame oil and soy.
Okay, and would you like me to mix them up together?
I think we can just chuck them straight into the... What do you think?
I think that's a great idea.
Keep it simple. All right, let's go in with the noodles.
The noodles in.
Beautiful.
Just separate them slightly. Look at these noodles.
Oh, they're so good. All right, Jazz, I think we're ready for the sauces now. Okay, so we'll put the soy in, and then perfect. And then some sesame oil.
Yeah, sometimes these stir fries have so many different sauces. Just two of the classics.
Yeah.
Will do.
Perfect. and that just brings out all, so much flavour in that. And then we'll pop in the spinach, and we're just going to wilt it, and then it's pretty much done.
Ooh, I love this.
Heat off, and I'm just going to plonk it all into the middle. Let's just top it up with all that beautiful omelette.
Noodles on top of noodles. You've got the sweet potato noodles and now the egg noodles on top.
Yum. Got some spring onions there.
Spring onions over the top.
Beautiful.
Now we've got spring onion noodles.
Spring onion noodles on top, noodles. And then some sesame seeds. You can use, you can use black sesame seeds even if you want. All right, let's tuck in. So this is the first time you're having this.
I don't know.
I hope you like this noodles.
Noodles, that's what I want to try.
I love noodles.
What
do you think?
Those noodles are amazing. The texture is just right. I'm definitely adding them to my pantry. Thank you.
Welcome.